some gunk on the side, and that's a turn off for me. All right, we got all our greens in there. Let me find a top. That top is too big. Too big. I got so many size pots. All right, so we're gonna let that cook down, and we're gonna rinse. I'm gonna rinse these one more time. So let me move you back. Uh-oh. Production is off today, y'all. Okay. Okay. They just about ready for, and you know what, now that I think about it, I'm so retarded, but I can't stand to see that gunk on the side. That's probably those seasonings that I put in there, but it's fine because I will add some more. And you know what, I think it's up there just about. I'm gonna let them boil just a little bit longer. They're just about ready to fall off the bone. Add just a dab more seasoning. That's what that was. That was seasoning on the side. But it was like, ooh, what is that? I'm kind of picky like that. Okay. Not a lot, because I know that seasoning has cooked down in there. So I don't have to add a lot. Okay. Bring you back over one more time before I go and show you what I do with my greens next. And this also enhances the flavor. Okay, so that needs more water. It's boiling good, but it needs more water. Now it has water in here that's seasoned from the meat and from the seasonings. But look what we're gonna do. I'm using 74% less sodium, organic, fat-free chicken broth. Whatever kind you use is up to you. But I'm adding some chicken broth. We're going to put that whole thing of chicken broth, because see, these greens are going to cook down really good. And the chicken broth is going to give it just the flavor that you want, right? Give them a stir. They'll be back bubbling in no time. All right, put your top on it and let those collard greens just cook. You don't have to do nothing else to them except add a little more chicken broth or a little more water if it gets too low. Now, last thing I do to my greens is add a little onion. So I'm going to use probably half of this onion.